Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. I am happy to welcome you all for our online learning. Class 8, subject chemistry, unit 4. The name of the unit is matter. See children, I place one picture here. It shows its states of matter. What will you observe here? They have 3 different states. I am keeping one beaker that contains solid substance, and here the liquid substance, and third one is gases. In this lesson we are going to discuss about different states of matter and different states of matter. Can you understand? Shall we move? Yes. Introduction. In the universe, what is the meaning of universe? What do you know about universe? Very good. Universe is nothing but earth. In the universe, all manifestation is nothing but events. All events and phenomenon are mainly caused by matter. So everything is made up of matter. So the evolution of life is made. So in the universe, all manifestation, phenomenon and evolution of life are caused by matter. Okay? The various objects which exist around you, the various object which exist around me, the various object around us, they are having some kind and are made up of matter. Now you are all sitting and listening the class. In your hand you have mobile phone. That is also one of the object, and it is made up of some matter. Okay? Once again I am repeating. The various object around you, the various object around me, and various object around us exist, are made up of some kind of matter. It may be a solid matter, or it may be a liquid matter, or it may be a gaseous matter. Clear? Everyone having your mobile phone in your hand, it is made up of some kind of matter. You are all sitting in a table, you are sitting in a chair, you are all sitting in a sofa. It is also made up of some kind of matter. I am standing here and giving lecture to you. I am seeing the board. So it is made up of some kind of matter. Clear? Yes. So all kinds of matter possesses mass. You are having mobile phone. It is some kind of matter. That mobile phone possesses some mass. Mass is nothing but weight. Mass is nothing but weight. I am having this pen in my hand. It is also made up of some kind of matter. It possesses some weight. I am seeing the camera. The camera is also some kind of matter. It occupies some mass. Clear? So all kinds of matter possesses mass and occupies space. I am keeping this pen here, and this pen occupies some space. So matter is nothing but all kinds of matter possesses mass and occupies space, and of course some are heavy object and some are light. Some matters are heavy and some are light. I am using this pen. For me it is a light object. I am facing the camera. For me the camera is a heavy object. You are having a cell phone in your hand. The cell phone is light object. You are sitting in the bench. The bench is the heavy object. Can you have the difference between light and heavy? Yes. So all these objects are made up of some kind of matter. Clear? Yes. Very good. Now you see the definition of matter. See, very simple definition. Matter is defined as anything anything, wall, iron stick, table, chair, pen, box, cell phone, laptop, computer. So all this matter can be defined as anything which occupies, very very important, which occupies space, volume and mass. So all the matters are anything, matters is defined as anything that occupies some space, some volume and some mass, and can be perceived by our sense. We can feel, we can see, okay, you can able to see the phone, that perceives through your sense organ called eyes, that is called matter. So once again I am repeating the definition of matter. It is a very important 2 more question. Define matter. Matter is nothing but, a matter is defined as the substance. A matter is defined as anything which occupies space, volume and mass and can be perceived by our sense. Is it easy for you? Is it clear? Yes. As we know already, matter exists in three different forms. One is called solid matter, second one is called liquid matter, and third one is called gaseous matter. So I said already I said matter exists in three different forms. One is solid, another one is liquid, and third one is gas. See, the first one, solid. Substances like wood, stone, sand, iron, etc. These are the examples of solid matter. I placed one picture here. What you are observing, this is called table, and this is called chair, and this is ice cube. All are the examples of solid matter. Once again I am repeating, substances like wood, stone, sand, iron, etc. are solids. They have definite space, they have definite volume and they have definite mass. Clear? Shall we move to the next slide? Yes. Next one is liquid. You are seeing the picture. What is this? Juice. You like to drink different juice, like what juice you like most? I like mango juice. You also. So this is I think that it is a mango juice. And what is this? Milk. Right? And this is water. So all these are in liquid states. So they are liquid matters. Liquids means substances like water, milk and fruit juices. Whatever fruit you like, that juice, all are liquid matter. Clear? The next one is gases. In the atmosphere, so many gases are present. One is oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. You are all familiar with gases, right? So they are the examples of gaseous matter. So substances like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and steam. So all these are gases. These gases are present in the atmosphere. So they are the examples of gaseous matter. Clear? Then how the matter is composed? Matter is a physical state. We can able to see, we can able to feel. Clear? So it may be a solid, or it may be a liquid, or it may be a gas. So matter is anything. Matter is a physical state. It is composed of smaller particles such as atom, molecules and ions. Atom, molecules or ions. So matter is a physical state and it is composed of smaller particles called atoms, molecules or ions. Clear? Next one, atom. Atom. An atom is the smallest particle. Very important. Atom is the smallest particle of an element. You know, there are 108 elements are there in the earth crust. For example, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, all these are elements. Among the 108 elements, the majority of elements are solid. The 70% elements are solids. 25% elements are liquids. Solid means 70% of elements are metals and 25% is non-metals. The remaining 5% is metalloids. So, among the 108 elements, the majority of elements are metals. The 75% of elements are metals, 25% non-metals and 5% are metalloids. Okay. So, once again I am come back to the lesson. Atom. Atom is the smallest particle and it is a particle of an element which exhibits all the properties of that element. It may or exist or may not exist independently but take part in every chemical reaction. Once again I am repeating, atom is the smallest particle of an element which exhibits all the properties of the element. It may or may not exist independently but it takes place in the chemical reaction. Clear? The next one is molecules. Atoms of the same element. For example, give the example for molecules. Tell me one molecule. You are all familiar with what is the children? Very good. Water. What atoms are present in that water? What are the atoms present? One is hydrogen, another one is oxygen. So hydrogen, H represents hydrogen and this is oxygen. So hydrogen atom combines with oxygen atom to form water. So water is example for molecules. Atoms of same element or different. Here different elements. One hydrogen is an element. Hydrogen is an atom. One hydrogen combines with oxygen. So atoms of same element or different elements combine to form a molecule. Very important. So hydrogen combines with oxygen to form a water. Hydrogen is an example for an atom. One hydrogen, one atom of hydrogen combines with two atoms of oxygen. Hydrogen combines with oxygen to form water. So water is the molecule. Clear? So atoms of the same element or different elements combine to form a molecules. The molecules is the smallest particle of pure substance which can exist independently and retain the physical and chemical properties of the substance. The next one is ions. You are familiar with ions. Cation, anion. So, ions. Atoms are a group of atoms having charged, that is positive, negative charge. They are said to be ions. Clear? So, atoms are a group of atoms having a charged particles. Charge is called ions. Clear? Thank you children. We will see in the next class.